No, forgot to turn on the mic. Oh, the webcam. There we go. Morning, 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 morning. Super chill chat. Morning, everyone. It's a beautiful, beautiful Saturday morning over here in Seattle. Hope everyone's having a good morning. It's my final stream before the new year, which is pretty cool. I'm also going to take next week off. Just because I have some family in town, so that's going to be pretty cool, and we're going to have some of them stay with us, so unfortunately that means the stream room is gone. It is gone for the day. Let's go ahead and tweet this out, make sure people know what's happening here. Last Twitch stream of the year. Ooh. Some SignalR stuff. Open source stuff. There we go. Boom, boom. Tweet that out. Boom. Oh, still early though. 8:30. Need some coffee. Pouring it up. Let's do this. I still don't know what I'm working on today yet. I mean, I have the SignalR stuff, but I'm like, I don't know what people want me to do anymore. I did so much SignalR work. Right? Oh, maybe I should need to connect it to a database or something. Ooh. Freshly brewed, literally brewed 3 minutes ago. when people were wondering like, oh, what is happening when the stream is starting soon? Well, it's because I'm brewing some coffee. Most likely brewing coffee. Oh man, not a lot happened around here that's super exciting. My desk is a hot mess. I just cleaned it because I had Christmas over here. I did get these really cool Noki bicycle locks. They're like Bluetooth locks from Kickstarter, only 2.5 years late. However, I'm selling them because I was like, they're too expensive. I don't need yet another bike lock. So of course I have like 2 of them. So there. Hey Breaker, how's it going? Hey Hydro. Ooh, that's a cool Jesse Rocks Cafe. So I need a cool coffee. I like my coffee mug too though, but we'll see. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Hey RN Resner, thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate that. All right. Man, what am I even doing in life? I wonder if I should get rid of the background colors. I think maybe that's what I'm going to work on over the next break, is fixing up my emotes. Some ask me anything. Yeah, ask me anything. I really want a super chill stream where I don't really code very much. Am I going to be at Techorama? Did I go to Techorama this last year? I did not go to... Did I go to Techorama? I went to Techorama this year. Whoa, where is that at, JK? ETS. Whoa, what? Hold on, people. I'm way up, I feel blessed. You're here? Where is this? This is off of Madagascar. No way. Are you on holiday or do you live there, JK? Also, Hydra, thank you for the follow. Pushing it up. We're getting up there on the count. What are we at? Like 555. Ooh. What? Do you live there, or are you on holiday there? I want to go there. We almost did a trip to Madagascar actually this year. We were thinking about it. Mauritius. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that sounds amazing. We do have we really want to go to all of Africa. Jokey. It's Jokey. Yep. Living and working there since what? Dude, send me a DM on Twitter. I would love to chat more with you about whatever you're doing, and if I ever come out there, I'll let you know. I've had some people from Sri Lanka too. Well, don't worry, Hydro. Yes, I do love the Belgium too. So hello, hope Belgium's doing well. I'll check your DMs. I'll check my DMs. Oh, there you are right there. Got it. Oh, 9 hours ago. I'm looking. I think. Maybe. So many DMs. Send me another DM. Just push it to the top. What? A conference there? No way. I gotta look at Techorama first. I'll try to go to Techorama. May? Ooh, May's hard. I'll tell you why May's hard. May's a hard. I do love Techorama. Big fan. I usually have a hard time with a May date because of it usually overlaps with build. But I gotta see. I haven't submitted any papers. Check this out. Speaking. To be announced. Nothing. There we go. Cool. Yeah, I recently get like a whole bunch of DMs. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, sometimes like I get buried and then I go through them one day and I'm responding to like 20 different DMs. I'll accept that. Got it. Thank you so much. Uh-oh. Per DM, yeah. DM me again and I'll see what it's at. Launching a new podcast, software craftsmanship in January. So, yes. I'm reading tweets. I love being on podcasts. I'll be on your podcast. Yes. Microsoft. I'll send you my personal email and then we can schedule something. What are you doing today, James? Responding to DMs on Twitter. That's what I'm doing. That's me. I need some new blogs too. But man, that's so cool that you live right here. I want to live there. I want to zoom in on where this. I assume Port Louis is the big port. There's a casino. What's this place? Whoa. Cemetery. There's a school. Oh man, can I drop a person? Oh. It's like one place Google has not gone. Google don't go there. That's funny. Flynn and Flack. Oh, right there. That's where this dude lives. Whoa, Flynn and Flack Beach. That's not a beach. There's a beach. People on a beach. It'd be so weird if you're just like, and now there's a photo of me on Google forever. Just 5 minutes from the beach. That's cool. Whoa. How you get your groceries? How do they even get groceries onto the island? Katie's Fast Food. Or the video. It's like, and here's my childhood video. Oh, that's cool. Oh man. So cool. I love seeing where people are from. That's so cool. I want to go. We're going to go to Singapore this year and Vietnam. You can see places that I've gone because I put little stars on them. I love Taiwan. Faves, Taiwan. We're going to Singapore and Ho Chi Minh City this year, which is going to be fun. I live in Seattle. We also just went down here because we were just in Bali and Lombok. Super cool. Yeah, and I'll submit some stuff. I gotta look at some dates. I live in Seattle, Washington. Beautiful. Not rainy today, Seattle, Washington. That's where I live. I've been here for 7 years now. 7 years. Let's see when the CFPs close. Sessionize. December 31st. Ah, okay. I'll get on it. I'll get on it. Is it worth visiting Seattle? Oh, Seattle's great. Well, Seattle depends on where you wanna be. See, a lot of people when they come to the States, they only go to. I'll incognito this, or else it'll have like probably like where I live or somewhere. So like here's Seattle. Well, here's America. This is America. Oh, there we go. So a lot of people when they fly over, it's very easy to get like over here, right, to the East Coast. It never rains in Seattle. It doesn't. I swear it doesn't rain. We just tell people that. So the nice thing about living in Seattle over here is you can get to, I mean, you can get over to Asia really easy, but also you can get to Hawaii and then all the states. A lot of people go Florida. Florida's fine. No shade on Florida. What's his name? Donovan lives in Houston. I have family in Austin. Austin's a cool city. Pretty cool city. I grew up in Ohio. Went to Phoenix. Phoenix is cool. It's very flat. It's very hot. San Diego's beautiful. It's where John Galloway lives. It's beautiful there. Beth lives in San Francisco. Seattle's great. So here's the cool part about Seattle, right? So you have Seattle. That's why I tell a lot of people that travel. I was just in Bali. I was talking to some people from Germany. And the cool part about Seattle is that you can come in to Seattle, or actually go into Vancouver probably. You can fly into Vancouver and then just rent a car. 3 hours. Vancouver to Seattle, right? And see what you have here. With Vancouver, you can also go to Victoria. You could take a boat to Victoria, BC, then come over, take another boat, and then drive to Seattle. Something like that, because you can take your boat on the car, or car on the boat here. But see how beautiful here, you have all the mountains, Mount Baker, Wenatchee, over here, the Olympic National Forest. It's beautiful. We just went hiking not too long ago. So you can drive Vancouver to Seattle 3 hours. Pretty cool. Along the way, you got tons of beautiful islands. Orcas Island's beautiful. Bellingham, beautiful. Mount Vernon, beautiful. You have all these beautiful hiking trails, snowing, all skiing, everything you want. Then you got Seattle. You have Redmond. There's Microsoft. I work right here. And then here's Microsoft, and then back here are the tree houses. You can't see them. The tree houses are there. There's Lake Bill. All these buildings are going away. Dumping them. Hey, Archie, how's it going, buddy? Our Dave. And then you have Seattle. Seattle's hip. Seattle's awesome. So, like, these are all the different neighborhoods. Ballard, Fremont, Queen Anne, Capitol Hill, West Seattle, Georgetown, lots of breweries. Ballard, lots of breweries. There's beautiful sights to see. Like Space Needle, Smith Tower, the islands, all sorts of historic stuff. Seattle's great. And then what's cool is you can also then drive. I mean, you could drive literally out into the peninsula, which is great. But you could also drive down to Portland. And that's where Hanselman lives. So over here somewhere. Maybe Beaverton area. Portlandish area. Yeah, and then here, look at all these mountains. Mount Hood. You can go over to there's like a bunch of cool stuff over here too. Where's the, there's all sorts of great stuff. Yeah, I love when people use my stuff. Well, thanks for being part of the Xamarin fam. We should probably code a little bit today. What are we doing? Let's look at the GitHub. So that blue dot just gets me every time. Oh, we did that. Let's see what Matthew says. This should go into master as it is. Doing something. We did some work yesterday, just working it up. This is what I do every morning. Let's see, that looks good. Good. This one would be probably 110. Let's change this target branch. Boop. All right, cool. good there. We also have this code. I don't know if anyone did any pull requests now. I don't know what else I want to do with the app. Refactored that backend, shared some code. Pretty sure we have the Zam chat here. I think we published it. There we go. Oh, we added the profile page. Which is cool. Oh, we didn't have any chats or faves. I forget what else I wanted to add. So this is probably not going to connect because it's broken. We created this super sweet button. Boop. It doesn't do anything. I'm not connected. We should probably add some code in here to not allow us to send. Where's my is connected? There we go. Is connected. If not is connected, wait. I should probably create a little dialogue service. View model base. Let's do that. We'll add a new folder. We'll call this interfaces. Let's add a new interface. Add a dialogue service. Let's add a new folder. Services. You can see me totally. Oh, cool. Well, thanks for the positivity on the... So, we definitely got some... got some people some Switches for Christmas, which is great. Oh, yeah, I'm super enjoying doing Nintendo Dispatch. Michael is great. Him and I have been good friends for a long time. And we did a podcast a long time ago about movies and stuff, which is not quite as cool, but pretty good. Display alert. String message. String. Okay. And then we took a long time off of doing podcasts, and we went back to Nintendo Dispatch just because I sort of forced him to get a Switch. And that's cool. I'm super enjoying doing it. We just took an ad spot out on Hansel Minutes, actually. So if you go to last week's Hansel Minutes, there it is. Right there. Boom. Look at that. Click on that puppy. Right to the podcast. Yeah, we did really good. This review's doing really well too. I just got this Genki Bluetooth adapter. Oh, so cool. It's right here, right in front of my face. Super cool. For Bluetooth audio. Put that link in the show notes if you want to give that a read. Oh man, so good. So good. Yeah. Oh, you found it via Hanselman's? I'm always interested if the ad spot worked at all. Because it wasn't cheap necessarily, but Hanselman's a good friend, so he hooks it up. But dialogue service. Nice. Yeah. Well, I appreciate that. I'm glad that you found out via the Hansel minutes and that that it actually worked. So let's return. Let's see if app.current.main page. Be impossible for it to not be return false. Oh, nice. Oh, cool. You've been there since day one. I like that. That's awesome. Return from result. Well, thanks for being a listener from day one. That's awesome. Yeah, I super enjoy doing it. Do they have like, I assume they have electronic stores. Can you get a Switch there? Like, does it cost a lot of money? Did you import it, or how did that work? I'm gonna change this string to cancel. Oh, that one's just this. And then we're going to put in a task of bool. There we go. Accept. Gosh. Yeah, when I lived in Romania for a long time, that's how it was. It was, you had to, well, that's not bad. Games, that's about how much they are here. At least you have the eShop, right? If you can get the eShop, then you're pretty much good to go. Download all this stuff. No, R2, I have not bought Smash Brothers yet. I was waiting for Christmas to be over to buy any new games. I did finish Doom, though. I officially finished Doom for the new year. Such a great game. Okay, so is connected. If I'm not connected, I will return. I should probably get my service. So now we can go into our view model. Base. And then I can do displace dialogue service. Copy and paste this to here, and this will be rename this to chat service. Chat service, perfect. So many services. Yeah, as long as the games aren't super expensive. That was the problem when I lived in Romania for so long, is because the games ended up costing like $100 each, and no one would buy the game. It was just way too expensive. So Let us do display service. Wait. Nope. Dialog service dot display alert. Say not connected. Display an alert. Return. I don't know why I was trying to return that. There we go. Cool. Oh, this. I wonder if this just doesn't time out. That's interesting. Send failed. I should totally go into the chat service though. And if you're not connected, why am I letting you send, I guess is the question. Connect to async. Oops. There we go. Chat service. So if you try to send a message, so just if you don't do anything, send message. I have some new exception that I threw. New exception. Valid operation. Just see that not connected. Boop. Oh. Thanks, Arzul. Appreciate that. They always pop up, and in my mind, I just ignore them now. Those bars, you know, just in general. So, what is the Blazor precompile for? That's a good question. So, inside of here, there is a some CLI stuff. Oh, the Blazor precompile. Okay, so good question. So this you'd have to go back a few chats in general. So there's sort of a problem because if you're using Blazor, the Blazor SignalR chat thing is actually inside of oops, oh gosh, that is way too big. Sorry about that. So the Blazor stuff is inside of this Blazor extension SignalR. So it has like a separate NuGet package, which is a huge bummer because of how WebAssembly works. So however they did it, it needed that. Whereas for everything else, the dependency is this SignalR client. So the issue there becomes that, yeah, there's one different packages. This actually wouldn't have been a problem with multi-targeting. So I had to change it to a shared project. The problem with multi-targeting is that there was no way to distinguish between a console application and the Signal and the Blazor chat client. So the issue here, maybe with compiler flags. Yeah, but either way, the main issue came down to that. Yeah, different extensions and also just different names. So for instance, Blazor has on close, and instead of it being an event, it's a method. It takes in a func. So the logic, though, is all the same, right? So there's some things that, you know, for Blazor, for instance, it needs a return a task. So, okay, fine, I return a task, right? So, whereas everything else is pretty much, there's invoke async or send async. Now, there is a send, oh, there is not a send async. So, like, it's kind of weird because in some packages, it's like, oh, there's only invoke async. Whereas inside of the chat app, there's send async. Now, there's also an invoke async. But the difference is one is fire and forget, and one is wait until it's done. So, which send is. So I could have streamlined this and said, okay, we're going to ensure that if I'm building this, that we invoke async. And then this would have made it a little bit simpler, less switching, I guess, in general. But that's kind of how I see it at this point. So, yeah. It's a little bit kind of like, ugh, not great, but. All right, what else did I want to do? So there's that. Bring an application. Get rid of that. There's some dialogues. Okay. Oh, it eventually timed out. That's cool. Connection error. Connection was sent. Oh, I still have this bug in this one, which keeps opening this nonstop. That's funny. I'm pretty sure I fixed that. Pretty sure I fixed that. I just didn't redeploy it. That's a good one. This new device? New device. Oh, what else do we want to do? Lobby chat. I wanted to do... Is it better to return task.completed or null? I think task.completed. If you're returning a task, it's completed, you're going to wait on that. You can also do like task.from result or whatever. You could do null, I guess, but I always do task.completed task because it's completed. And it's successful. So that way, if people are waiting on the result and wanting to see what the result is, I think that's what you want to do. I mean, as far as I know, I could be completely wrong though, but that's in my mind how it should work. Just when I'm dealing with tasks. I don't know if that's a task best practice, but we'll pretend that it is. We will pretend that it is. What else did we want to do? I should have linked in the... all these old shows that I did. Application is running. Where's my back end? Set a startup. Okay, so doop. Should be able to chit chat. There we go. No one else says no one's listening. Okay, so there's that. Okay. Okay. Kind of curious how when I I publish the back end, how do you publish a Blazor app? I was kind of curious just to how to. Oh, it's freezing. Freezing up. There we go. Okay. Bin debug. How does I'm just like, how do I publish a website? A Blazor publish Blazor site. Host and deploy Blazor. I see. Never done this, but never tried to publish a Blazor app. Can accept host. I just want to kind of put the file on the thing. Not that one, this one. Some back end stuff. Oh wait, what did I just publish? The back end. I need to actually publish the Blazor chat. That's what I did wrong. I was like, oh, I'm publishing the back end wrong. There we go. Oh, it's just, yeah, done at standard 2.0. So I publish that. Hit publish. Well, let's see what happens. It's going to go into release. Publish. Blazor chat. Distribution. If I just open that, loading. Oops. I was just kind of super interested to see if it just works, right? Like, there's the Blazor, there's a framework. CSS, sample data. What's in a web config? Rewrite. It definitely doesn't load. I guess I need to do maybe this. Let's see. So if I go into here, cd this, and then do .NET run. Does that just work now? And then path base / I couldn't find a project to run. Oh, it's pointing to like C/bootstrap. Blazor.webassembly. It's like it doesn't know where it's at. It's interesting. Maybe if I do whatever this is, let's see. .NET publish C release public publish building. So it does go there. That's good. Still don't think that works. It's so strange. Bases this. Huh. Oh, interesting. I wonder if I change that to be view page source / CSS. So that's the base. I see. So hey, how's it going, Hero? Hero. App base path. The base path is a virtual app root on the server. For example, the app resides on this is reached. And many hosting scenarios. I see. So if I do this, cd bin, cd release, cd. Okay, so if I do .NET run path base equals that. Nope. I could just change this to that. I guess. Does that work then? Inspect. Oh. Nope. Well, that does exist. That's good. Failed fetch object anonymous. Ugh. I'm caught. Oh, URL scheme must be HTTPS. I see. I see. I wonder if I publish this. Let us. So that's why that doesn't publish. And that's because my startup code in program probably requires some HTTPS stuff, I bet. Set that as my startup. Ba-doop. Okay, so I think you're getting closer. So when you have the Blazor app, what is it mad about? Huh. Clean. Rebuild. This worked the other day. What is it mad about? Where's my output? So, what is it upset about? I don't know. Maybe I need to be running my back end. Let's try that again. Blazor chunk. Oh, I wonder if it's trying to connect immediately. No, what? Ah. Did I change something? Nope. That's strange. Oh. Yeah, I remember now. When you... That's stupid. Yeah, you have to delete stuff. I'm stupid. I'm like, oh, why isn't it starting again? It's because I have two folders and doesn't know what to use. Gosh darn it. It's like a big issue. I think it's trying to hold on. Oh, I'm inside of this. Let's get rid of that. So it always gets me. It's like, oh, come on. Stupid. It's because there's like there's two folders. So it's like, I don't know what to do. Like there's it just doesn't know what to pick, which is really stupid. It's really upsetting. Get out of here. Ah. There's like two distribution folders, so it's like, I don't know what to do. I think I can delete that. I think if you just delete the distribution one though, does that maybe work? Dist. Nope. All right, I think it maybe have to close this. Oh, it's because I have this stupid index open. There we go. I have so many problems all the time. Real developer, having issues all the time. Having issues. Ugh. It tells you in the output, by the way, exactly what to do, but then the output goes away so fast that you can't read it. So that's always my problem. I want to do like something with this SignalR thing at some point. All right, so now this will, well, I've closed my back end, but let us, it's restoring stuff still. I want to buy a new CPU, I think, and a new Mobo, I think is my next priority. So if I set this as my startup, and then this will work. I think I need to deploy the back end. Oh, here it is. So that worked. So that worked great.
I'm way up, I feel
and then you go
blessed.
into here, and then that works. Hello. Look how it saves it. Doop. And then I bet, where am I at? I'm in Xamarin. There we go. Do like hello. It's a terrible chat box. There we go. Cool. All right. Hey, Lord and Air, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Very cool. Very cool. All right. Yay. 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 Okay. Cool. So let's let's set up some stuff. SignalR is reserved. Paste mobile app, web app, and server backend. Manage my services. I don't need boards. Don't need repos. Don't need that. All right, new pipeline. That's nice. That's nice. ASP.NET Core. There we go. I don't want a pipeline. Visual designer, thank you. There we go. I'm a big visual designer type of guy. I'm like, let me just do that. ASP.NET Core with containers. Whoa. Building with full framework. ASP.NET Core. That's probably what I want. don't know if I want that. There's my parameters. This will be my Blazor Zamchat dot Blazor client. Nope. Backend slash CS projects. Okay. Don't have any tests. No, I can do even better because it's going to pull down all the source codes. So it's going to be inside of here. Boop. There we go. Let us say, what is this building on? Oh, an Ubuntu machine? That's cool. Save. Then I guess what would be neato is to try to publish the backend too. Okay, a little CI going, a little CI/CD. It's like a Chrome extension, hide Azure IDs. Azure mask. Yes. Good old Clark. Add to Chrome. Bloop. It's a cool extension called Azure Mask that is from one of our CDAs that masks all of the Azure stuff automatically. Which is kind of cool. Cool, publishing stuff. Right, what did this create? Oh, that's funny. It did two of them. SignalR chat and Blazor client chat. That's interesting. Shouldn't have done that. Oops. That's not what I want. Leave. Pipelines. Edit. Build. CS proj. Oh, publish. Arguments, configuration, output. It probably just does it on any of them that are that. That's interesting. 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 Okay. All right, let's save that. That's going to releases. Deploy app service. I'm pretty sure that's what I want. That's me. Let's see, job, Azure subscription, enterprise, authorize. That's probably not. It's a beautiful, beautiful dialogue. I probably need to create a new, let's see if this works, portal.azure. This is new. This is always new. Choose a default. Home, dashboard. Interesting. Always be changing stuff. App service. I have one app service. Web app. Create. This will be. That's interesting. Sam chat. Zam chatter. There we go. I guess this is going to create a, I guess it doesn't matter what it's on. So put on this free plan. I can always change it. Apply. Create. Code. Deployment in progress. There it is. Okay. All right, so I don't know if that works. Let's see. Create release. Oh, I should probably do, this needs to do what? No, I need to pick a specific folder. Oh, no arc. Oh, I see. I have to link it. pipeline. Perfect. Save, click a release. Ooh. Let's do latest. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Because it didn't change that to be... Drop SignalR chat, the laser chat client. Let's create that. Let's see if that works. Do, do, do. Running on an agent. SignalR chat. That should work. Let's see. Okay. So it's up and running. That's good. All right. That's good. We'd love for you to meet. There's no. Oh. Is this my. Is that what I created? What did I do? Backend. Wait, what just happened? Oh yeah, this is my... Oh, do I actually have a values controller? That's weird. Like, interesting. That I actually have a... So that's not gonna work, I don't think. Let me see here. So if I go into... what do I want to do? Did I give it the wrong backend? No. Oh, I did give it the wrong... What is that thing doing there? SignalR chat? What? Oh, gosh, what did I do? This is... How did that even get there? What is happening? What is that thing? What is this thing? SignalR chat. Where's my... I'm like, what am I doing? Yeah, backend. This should be my code that's getting built. Yeah, I'm like, wait a second. So this is like some old legacy code that's just sitting around for no reason. So that's great. That's great. Well, it's okay. We can fix it. Let's look at our build. I'm kind of confused why projects to restore and build. Sometimes I hate just restoring those. Yeah, this is what I want to build. Build that. Oh, did I just publish the wrong thing, maybe? Look at my releases. So maybe I just released the wrong thing. See, why is there just a Blazor client in there? That doesn't seem correct. That does not seem correct. I feel as though that's wrong. Maybe it was building something else. Let's go ahead and delete that stuff, I guess. Delete old code. All right, weird. I'm also interested in, like, what is it building? Because this is a backend. Done at core 2.2. I wonder if I need to maybe install. Where's my .NET Core SDK installer? Let's add that. .NET Core SDK. Version 2.2.101. Boop. I'm curious if perhaps I need to install that because I can't find it in the project or something. That could be. And let us also turn off this for now. Save. This is created. That's good. It's fine. Ah. So there's the back end. Restoring packages for back end. Where's my... There's build. There's my back end. Bin, release, back end. Oops. Publish. Client. I think it just finds like the first one in there. That's probably what it is. So that sucks. So how do I .NET build, .NET publish? Oh, gosh. Sometimes I'm just bopping around all over the place. So the issue, I think, in the pipeline is my .NET publish working directory. The working directory should be backend. Boop. There we go. So that was kind of the problem. I think I could do working directory for all of these, maybe. So it's still building it. I just don't think it was publishing it correctly, because it was like, oh, the working directory is this thing. Although we should be able to publish the Blazor thing too at the same time. In a world, I could merge them together, and that'll be some CI/CD pipeline dream of mine. Let's have this build. That's good. Oh, so it already has it. That's good. Caching tools. Nice. Anyone have sweet holiday plans? New Year's coming up. Gonna be sweet. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, some friends. We're pretty close to the Space Needle. Gonna definitely do that. Nothing's running. That's good. Profile. I should be able to do that. Building. Nope, it's still publishing the wrong thing. Why? No. I think I can do just a normal. It's like that should work. Let me try this again. What does the publish web projects do? Where at? Inside of here? It should just be a normal publish. Just a .NET Core command is what it should be in general, because it just bundles it. There was a checkbox before. Oh, inside of publish? Oh. If true, the task will try to find the web projects in the repository and run the publish command on them. Web projects are identified by web config. Do you think that's the problem? because it's a web. Oh, smart. Smart. So there we go. That's probably it. That's funny. And I could probably get rid of this working directory. Let's try that. That's smart. Smart. Let's see. We could probably cancel a bunch of these, huh? That'd be nice. That would be nice. Else I can go back to my custom publish where I just pass it the URL, but that should work. I'd be so happy. Good work. Good work. Let's see if this works. Because it's building it just fine. Which makes sense because I'm telling it to build this CS proj, but of course it's like, yeah, you're right. Probably trying to find any of the web stuff, which is not a web site. It's a web service, but should work. Or a web API. Which is kind of funny because I would imagine that it's still the same. Oh, it doesn't have a web. Oh, no, it does. Oh, there's nothing in the web root. That's why. Makes sense. What's this doing? Restoring. That's taking a while. There we go. Good catch, Hero. Heroxis. Zamchat build. Publish. All right, that was really fast. Okay. This would be the latest. Zamchat backend. Boop. There we go. Figuring out that'd be good. Let's see if this releases. That'd be cool. It's that old thing I created in like 5 seconds. All right, so that should be correct. Ideally. I should really put something if it's connected or not. Ooh, I don't know if it's really live or not. Definitely. That's funny. Huh. Oh, yeah, there's my issue. So I have this 5,000 in here. So I should really then get rid of that. wonder if it needs the HTTPS. Yeah, sometimes you don't get it. Have to figure out what's going on. It's definitely there. I wonder if it's the HTTPS. Whoa, where'd all my code go? Be curious /hub/chat. Connection ID required. It's totally there. It's definitely there. I think it's probably just the getting this config correct as far as that goes. Because I think localhost was not HTTPS, but then when it goes, it probably is HTTPS. Oh gosh, it's gonna crash now on me. Try this again. Oh, it's a good Christmas here. Still chilling. Still taking in the day. Still taking in some time off, which is nice. Hope everyone else had a great holiday. Let's see if this is going to work. It's definitely there. Failed to connect. Connection undefined. WWS. Oh. I think I have to do something on the server. Which I have to turn on WebSockets. Ta-da! Ta-da! No, no, no. I don't know, I'm saying hello 3 times, but I guess I am. Maybe I connected 3 times. That's funny. Let's refresh that. It's interesting. Connect. Then let us attempt to... Was my Visual Studio not going to... Oh, it's still debugging. Let's close that down. You are connected. Oh. Alright, it's gonna freeze up. Let's see if we can get something going here with the Blazor client, and then with the Android client talking to the back end with these new changes. So ideally, then I'm gonna feel good about it deploying. Blazor. Ba-doop. Cool. I need to figure out why my Android app crashes, that's for sure. But I assume something somewhere is going wrong. Some UI thread issue. Some UI thread issue, perhaps. right. Let's see if this is going to work. Profile. That should have saved it. ASP.NET. Oh, snap. All right, now we're talking to a real backend, little CI/CD. Gotta love it. Cool. All right, well, mission accomplished there. Next thing, we'll be able to see if we can deploy the Blazor backend somehow to the internet and just have the Blazor chat up there, and then we can all use it and take it. But I'm going to modify the code a little bit to make sure that it can handle this HTTPS stuff. Maybe set a Boolean in there so we can set that on and off. All right. Well, I hope everyone has a great New Year's. We got this working. That was just magical timing because it's time for me to go eat some breakfast. I'm pretty hungry. Well, thanks everyone for hanging out. Hope everyone had a great holiday. Have a great New Year. Like I said, I'm probably off next week because I have some family in town. But thanks for chilling with me. I appreciate it. Me and Key hanging out. And yeah, have a great New Year. Go take on the day, and by the day I mean whatever day it is. You know, whether it's not New Year's yet, but you know, go and take it on. Go create some projects. Go crush some code. Glad that the ZAM chat was working a little bit.
It should also read that I crushed it from 2015 to present.
I'm gonna work on some new stuff in the new year, but this thing is coming along. It's looking pretty good. It's a nice little chat bot. I appreciate that. All right, cool. Well, I hope everyone has a great holiday. Like I said, I'll see you when I get back in the new year. Cheers.
Some people dream success. Don't let your dreams be dreams. You should get to the point where anyone else will quit, and you're not gonna stop there. So just do it. Make your dreams come true. Do it. Nothing is impossible. Do it. Make your dreams come true. Yes, you can. Yes, you can.